Hi guys, welcome to John's Kitchen.
Kitchen.
My name is
Sophia John.
and my name is Kamal John.
Today,
We're going to be showing you how to make mussels.
mussels today, Dad.
Yes, mussels. The most beautiful mussel dish at home, right?
In the flowers.
Okay.
And I'm going to the princess.
Princess as well? Okay, so we're going to be adding some flowers and some princess to this beautiful mussel dish as well, right?
Yeah.
Very simple to make, so just follow along with the steps and you can make the most easy, beautiful, fresh mussel dish at home to enjoy with all the family. For this actual dish itself, you're going to need some olive oil, you're going to need some chopped garlic, some white wine, the mussels itself, 1 whole lemon, and then also some salt as well. Make sure that your mussels are nice and clean. Then you want to actually check that all the mussels that you have are all alive and they're actually good for you to cook or to eat. Take hold of your mussels, give it a little squeeze, the closed one. If it doesn't open after squeezing it gently for a few times, that's it, not good, discard, throw that one away. Then to check that all the mussels that you have that are open are actually still alive and also still good to eat, just hold it up, give it a little squeeze gently, and if it starts to open or close or actually spit out some of the liquid inside, that means that mussel is perfect for you to cook and it'll be safe to eat. But actually cooking the mussels, you're going to need a nice big pot for this one. So grab yourself the biggest pot that you actually have available, put it onto the stove, put it on high heat, you want to crank that heat up, add the oil inside. Once the oil gets nice and hot, you want to add the garlic and let it simmer away and release its flavor for a few seconds. Put your mussels inside, give that a good mix and make sure that all the mussels are nicely coated with the oil. Then you want to add your white wine, your lemon juice, add your salt as well at this point, if you remember. I actually didn't remember, so I added it a bit later. Put the lid on top, give it a nice shake so all that nice beautiful liquid inside covers the mussels completely so it can really steam away nicely. After about a minute or two, remove the lid, give it a nice mix just to make sure that your mussels are nicely coated in all that beautiful liquid that's coming out of the mussels and all that flavor. Cover it again, let it cook away for another few minutes, and that's it. I think your mussels are done. Honestly, I think it's actually one of the easiest dishes that you can make. As long as you got some good quality ingredients, that's what makes this dish so special, is that you actually have yourself some beautiful, good quality ingredients. So whether your mussels are from the UK, whether they're from France or Ireland or Scotland, wherever, as long as they're good quality, that's what you want for this dish. This dish is honestly one of my favorite dishes for good reason, because it's very simple but it's tasty, and that's what we're all about here on this channel, by having good tasty food that you're not actually going to spend like 2 million hours in the kitchen preparing. For this, you can actually use some frozen mussels. I'd recommend using fresh, but if you can only get yourself some frozen ones, it won't be as good, but it will still be a nice beautiful meal.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. You enjoyed it? Hands up.
Thumbs up.
Thank you for watching the video.
And bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Wah, wah, wah.
Bye.
Bye. Thumbs up if you liked the video.
Hands up the video. Bye.